What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Dogecoin. No much movements from this crypto. As you can see, is just about trading at 13 cents and hasn't moved much percentage wise in the last 24 hours. It's been quite volatile up and down, but overall it has maintained its value at 13 cents, which I did mention in yesterday's video. Do expect it to more or less fluctuate at the current price range, and that is exactly what's taking place. So we're going to be looking at its next target. Does it have a next potential pump over the coming days, coming weeks, or even coming hours? My predictions covering both buyers and sellers point of view, as well as both short-term and long-term investors. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. As you can see, the market is down just about 0.5% in the last 24 hours, and Dogecoin is also up just about 1%. In the last hour is also up 1%. Over the week, 67% up guys. As you can see, the highest we've seen it go is around 16 cents, and over the month it has gone up a massive 117% up in value. So again, the trading volume keeps going down over the last 24 to 48 hours. As you can see, it's currently sitting at $3.4 billion, well, nearly 3.5. And guys, 2 days ago, it was approximately trading above $8 billion and has over halved its trading volume in the space of about 24 to 48 hours. The only reason for that is because of the drop that's been taking place. If I go to the 7 days chart, yes, it has gone up, but as you can see, from about 16 cents it has dropped quite a bit to at the moment just under 13 cents. So most people are just holding on to the crypto right now. They're not buying more, they're not investing into it, or they're not selling it. They're just holding on to it at the moment, because obviously it is going down. The only thing to do now is wait for it to go back up, unless obviously you're waiting to buy the dip. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So as you can see guys, we are looking at the daily chart, and we've also got the purple line running across the chart here, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Dogecoin at 8 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value at just about 13 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So what we're going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So let's zoom in and see. As you can see, the blue line and the orange line are both heading towards the negative direction, just about looking bearish, meaning decreases in value are expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So guys, do expect more red candlesticks over the coming 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow. However, that does not mean it's going to be a major drop or anything like that. As you can see, the negative lines are not looking too steep. They are just about slanting towards the negative direction, meaning the drops are going to be very minimal. Again, in between that time, do expect peaks as well. Green candles, red candles. It's going to be a mixture of ups and downs, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So let's zoom in into the hourly chart over the next few days. What can we expect here? Now, we're not looking too bearish or bullish. Literally both the blue line and the orange line are flat out going in a straight line, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the coming days. So next 7-8 days, so let's say towards mid to end of next week, we should more or less be expecting Dogecoin to fluctuate around the 13 cents target. However, if you are part of my Telegram, you would already know this. I keep you guys updated as much as I can on there. Guys, I'm expecting Dogecoin to increase. There's another pump coming over the next 2 to 3 days. There is another minimal pump coming, and guys, I'm expecting it to go above the 14 cents target, potentially hitting just about 15 cents and then dropping back down. And I've previously mentioned this in my previous videos as well. Do expect it to drop down in value before it goes for a pump. So as you can see, it has dropped down in value, and the next step is for it to go for a pump, hitting about 14 to 15 cents is what my predictions are over the, so let's say towards the weekend guys, we should expect another pump. However, If there are any changes to that, if I'm not expecting a pump or I'm expecting it to go even higher than that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated. You guys have asked for regular updates or even daily updates on Dogecoin, which I have been doing and which I will be doing over the next couple of, well, I've been doing it for the past 2 to 3 days and I will still be doing it, guys. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's zoom in into the daily chart now. Over the next few weeks, what can we expect? Now we're looking too steep, guys. Looking very, very bullish, going in a positive direction, which can only mean one thing. No, it doesn't mean we're going to go for a major increase. What it means is it's not realistic at all. The only reason why we're seeing steep lines going in a bullish direction is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last week. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case, guys. I'm expecting it to take a little step back. As I've previously mentioned in most of my videos, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies to Dogecoin. So yes, I'm expecting it to drop back down in value. However, over the long run, so let's say by mid to late December, over the next couple of weeks, I'm expecting an overall increase in value. However, nothing crazy. It's not going to be a major increase or anything like that. I am expecting it to just about heading towards the 20 cents target is what I'm expecting. Yes, it could potentially hit the 20 cents target, but more or less heading towards that target is what my predictions are as of right now. But again, any major changes, I will make sure to keep you guys updated. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, guys, we are still trading in the red zone and we did go very close to the green zone about 2-3 days ago, nearly hitting the 16 cents target. And for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit just about 18 cents, which we are not too far off from. Again, towards the end of the year, we should be able to just about hit the resistance target and potentially head into the green zone towards the very end of this year. But again, it all depends on how Bitcoin performs and so on and so on. So for those of you guys who are interested on daily updates on cryptos like Bitcoin and on the crypto market and want to ask questions or anything like that, you guys can subscribe to my Telegram group chat. The link to that will be in the description box down below. And again, it is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, guys, and over half the spaces have already gone. So there is literally a limited amount of space left before it jumps back up to $29.99. So make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. Any questions, any queries you guys may have, simply send me a DM on Instagram. If not, the link is in the description box down below. So what does this exactly include? So you're going to get put into two group chats. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. Yes, I haven't bought any cryptos recently because of how the crypto market has been performing. But if I do, I will make sure to keep you guys updated. And the other group chat is where I'll be showing you guys daily price updates and predictions on Bitcoin. Don't mind this value of Bitcoin here because this screenshot was taken about in late May when it was trading around 30k. But yeah, that's not the case anymore. But yeah, I give you guys daily updates and other cryptos, currency analysis and predictions that you guys request for in the group chat. But yeah, the link is in the description box down below. And on that note, that is pretty much it for today's video. Just a quick one on Dogecoin, as you guys have requested for daily updates, which I have been doing and I will be doing as well. Any questions, any queries you guys may have, simply send me a DM on Instagram or let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them in my next crypto update on Dogecoin, potentially later on today. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Before you click off the video, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and all that stuff. You know what to do. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.